In a previous video you saw me go out with my good friend Bruce and his amazing V10 R8 and he gave me a bit of a scare. Check it out. Well, I had an absolutely amazing day, but at the end of the video I did promise you some more cinematic footage of this vehicle because it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's get to it. We've just been out in this and we're obviously doing the video and walk around it. So the guy's Instagram, if you want to follow him, is stealth_R8. And you can see this car's got all the bits and pieces. It's got the carbon ceramic brakes, Voice-Steiner, diffusers, spoilers. Akapovich carbon fibre exhaust tips are uber rare and you can't get them. And obviously they're on this car.
You can call me POTUS, I got all the voters.
What are you laughing at?
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a
That sounds lovely.